All right, today we are going to look at what we call our Italian inspired smartwatch. When I open them up, you will understand why. So let's do that. First of all, nice box. Hard box here. You can see why we say Italian inspired. Got colors of the Italian flag. This is a really nice watch here, but it's got all your standard smartwatch features. It even says it on here. It's got your heart rate, the exercise. You can play music out of it, record things. It's remote camera operation. It's got all that. If you're not in the mood to rock the Italian colors, this one also comes with an extra band. This one is just solid black, so you get both the bands. You also get, as you would expect, the charging cable, which has its own design like this, which is very easy to use. Right to the bottom, magnetic, it's ready to charge. So that's pretty nice. And then of course you've got the instruction manual, which is, there it is. It was all in Chinese. Colored instruction manual. Tells you a lot about what the phone does, how to work it, where to download the app for it. Does a lot of really good stuff. It's got a very similar look to an Apple Watch. Same size, same general design there. Feels about the same too. It feels like it's really good quality. This is a real nice watch. But you can read more about it on the website. We only have a few of these. They're limited production. So get one while you can, and thanks for watching.